answer is you're doing fantastic. Me, I'm doing great. Here in Malibu tonight. Sunday, December 8th, year 2019. Here in LA, we had a couple of days of rains, shower, and today's the first day that it stopped raining, so I decided to come to the beach and just spend the night over here. Because as you can see, I made the right choice. Look at this beauty. Look at this. Look how the sky is so beautiful tonight. It's like a painting. God's painting right here. You could see God's hand in this. Wow, it's gorgeous. The night is rolling in. The sun is setting. And I'm here pretty much just by myself. There's another van over there. Couple of people, couple of campers down there where those lights are, and basically that's me right there. Oh, actually I'm making sausage, so let me go ahead and check on that really quick. I forgot about it, but look at this beauty. Oh my gosh, I can't get enough. Cannot get enough. Wow. Here's a fire pit. Here's my firewood. Gonna be making a nice fire later on tonight. It's really pleasant here, a little chilly. And yeah, look at this stove, brand new Coleman stove. I found it on OfferUp, brand new for $30. This is the 2-burner basic Coleman, and I'm making turkey sausage right now. And first time I'm using that pan. It's a copper pan. It's supposed to be non-stick. I got it on sale for like $13, half price. It was $26. Here's the van. He's gonna be home tonight. I haven't turned on any lights or anything, but I got myself a little steak. I got shrimp. I'm gonna be making those later tonight. But for right now, I'm just gonna do a little sausage for appetizer. Get warmed up a little bit, get ready, and then I'm gonna make some steak and shrimp for dinner. Whoa, the windy here. But wow, look how beautiful it is, you guys. Look how beautiful. I wanted to show you this brand new sticker I got. It's Mr. Yeti himself. The Yeti, or Bigfoot, we call him in North America. We call him the Bigfoot, and over there in East Asia, I believe, or Central Asia, or Russia, in that area, they call him the Yeti. Alright, so yeah, this is it. I just wanted to share this beauty with you. Look at that. Look at that sky. I can't get enough of that. Oh my gosh, what a beautiful sunset. Who needs to go to an art gallery? This is God's art gallery right here. You know, I recommend you guys get out and experience and be in awe of the beauty of all the glorious things that God has created all around us. We just have to have the eyes to see it. I'm pretty sure, you know, most people see this. I mean, it's hard to miss this beauty, but there are smaller things in life that most people, you know, tend to miss out on. But yeah, so I'm gonna be spending the night here. This is gonna be my home for tonight, maybe even tomorrow night. Who knows? We'll see how tomorrow goes. But just wanted to show you and share with you some of this beautiful sky, beautiful sunset here in beautiful city of Malibu in Southern California, US of A. You guys have a blessed night, and have a great night. I'll talk to you guys soon.